1, 2, 3. Baby, 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 don't you know yet? I've been on a high.
Welcome back to my channel. My name's Leslie Ann if you're new here. So today I thought I'd share with you some of the things that I've bought from Pixie. The beauty products from Pixie. I love Pixie. It's so reasonably priced. It is, I guess it's sort of top range of drugstore beauty products really. Anyway, I have bought 4 things. I'll show you these 3 first of all. I need to pop my glasses on for this though. Right, now I can see. Okay, so the first thing I bought was this. Right, so this is the Glow Town Day Dew, and what it does actually, you can use it as a moisturiser. If you want to add a little bit of a luminosity to your skin, you can just apply this. This was £19. There's 35 mils in here, so this is what the packaging looks like. Sort of apply a little bit to my arm so that you can see. So that's what the actual tube is like. It's got the little lid on it, and what I like about this product is it's not something that you have to put your finger in and contaminate. In fact, a lot of the Pixie range are like this, and that's something that I really like. So it's just a little pump dispenser, so I'm just gonna put a bit on my arm there we go. And I'll just rub that in for you. There you go. So can you see it just adds that luminosity there to your skin? So if you feel you just want to have a little bit more on your face or even on your lips, I mean, I've used this on my lips before, so I'll just do that now. Of course, you only need a little bit for that. Just going to use you guys as a guide. And if you want to just add a little bit to here, to your cheekbones. But I absolutely love this product. And I'll tell you what it says on the packaging about it. Okay, so Glow Town Day Dew. It's a lightweight moisturiser. It nourishes, protects and gives a youthful glow. Yeah, need that by the bucket load. Advanced illuminating pigments create a natural looking radiance. A blend of botanical oil and skin smoothers instantly moisturise and boost dull skin. Gives a luxe hydrated finish that's ideal for wear under makeup or over by itself for a more even looking skin tone. Apply AM daily, thin coat in layers onto cleansed toned skin and dab an extra layer anywhere where the glow is needed. So sometimes I have used this just like literally as a moisturiser on its own, just popped on a little bit of blusher, a little bit of lipstick, and yeah, you kind of look ready, you look put together. Okay, the next thing I bought, and that's this one. This is the Glow O2 Oxygen Mask, and it's with probiotic and caffeine. So basically what this is, it's an oxygenating, is that a word? Oxygenating, I think so. Anyway, it's a mask for your face. This is amazing. I've only ever used it once before, and that it wasn't mine, so I just used somebody else's just to have a little go, and it was amazing. So what it says about this one is, this oxygen treatment mask revives dull, tired skin, providing an immediate anti-fatigue effect, perfect before a big event or before makeup application. Oxygen complex, vitamins, ginseng, caffeine and antioxidants replenish. Probiotics strengthen skin and lactic acid detoxifies. Use AM or PM. Smooth onto cleansed face. Avoid eye area. Gel will begin to bubble and slight tingling sensation is normal. Rinse after 2 to 3 minutes. Use once a week or as needed. So I haven't actually opened this yet. Did I say this is £20? I can't remember, but it was £20. That's what the packaging looks like. Okay. This is a 50ml, and what I will do, I will just show you on my hand what happens, so you can just imagine what this is like on your face. Right, so it's on like that, okay, and then you rub it in a bit, and then you watch, look, almost straight away you can see how the oxygen activates the product. Now on my hand I don't feel any tingling at all, and actually the one and only time that I've used this I didn't actually feel any tingling on my face, but then I do use things like lactic acid and stuff like that. I only put a tiny little bit on, but can you see the bubbles all sort of starting there? And it's the bubbles and all the active ingredients in here that give your skin a really good clean. It's a really good mask. There you go. And then you do rinse this off, but I'm just going to rub it into my hand just for now. It just smells fresh. Yeah, fresh. So that's that one. Then I bought this. Now I've been using this for the last couple of days and I'm loving it, and it's the collagen eye serum. It's a hydrating eye serum formulated to help boost collagen levels to restore and revive the delicate skin area around the eye. Lightweight and quick absorbing, this rich serum helps plump, hydrate and brighten, preserving youthful looking skin. This was £19, and that's what the packaging looks like. 25ml in here. So once again, as you can see by the packaging, you don't actually have to touch the product. You don't have to put your finger in or anything in to contaminate it at all. So take the lid off, and it's a little screw lid. This is what it looks like, and I'll just pop a little bit on for you. So I just put a little bit, just tiny little pea-sized drop, and then just sort of pat it around your eyes. It's very sort of cooling anyway. Do the other one. So again, tiny little bit. There we go. And with this product, you can just sort of add to it during the day. It doesn't have to be just morning and night. You can pop it on when you feel that you need, you know, a little bit of extra, especially in the hot weather that we're having in the UK. Everything just dries up, doesn't it? Oh my God. The last thing I actually bought was this, and this is to make up part of one of my daughter's birthday presents. It's her birthday on the 24th of this month, and I'm absolutely sure that she hasn't tried this range. So this is just a little set for her to try, to see if she likes it, to see if her skin likes it. So in here, this is the Pixie treats, and we've got the Glow Mud Cleanser, we've got the Glow Tonic, oh my gosh, I love that stuff, and the Glow Mud Mask. That's what it looks like. And what it says on the back for the Glow Mud Cleanser, the cleansing mud with 5% glycolic acid. This gentle yet effective cleanser exfoliates to remove dead skin cells and to reveal more radiant and healthy skin. Detoxifies pores and deep cleanses by drawing out impurities while providing essential nutrients to the skin, and it's for all skin types. Use AM and PM. Just apply a small amount to damp skin, massage gently for 30 seconds, avoiding the eye area, rinse and pat dry. And then you've got the Glow Tonic, which I think probably a lot of us are familiar with, but if you're not, it's an exfoliating toner with 5% glycolic acid again. It evens out the skin for a brighter, clearer, smoother complexion for all skin types. Clinically proven results, alcohol free, use AM or PM or as needed. And you saturate a cotton pad with the tonic, sweep across the face, neck and décolleté after cleansing, avoiding the eye area. Love this stuff. And then finally it's the Glow Mud Mask. It's a deep pore clearing, glow revealing treatment mask. Aloe vera, ginseng and mineral rich mud combines to create the ultimate deep pore cleansing and skin energizing. Great for congested, dull and tired skin. For all skin types, use PM. Use a thin layer onto clean skin, avoiding the eye area. Let dry for 15 minutes. Rinse off thoroughly, pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Yeah, so I thought I would get that for her so that she can try it. You know, she may love it. I love it. I love the Pixie range. I've also got some other bits and pieces to go with this, so it's not just this, but, you know, I'm not going to put this out until after her birthday anyway. And yeah, that's it then, guys. That's the latest things that I've bought from the Pixie range. If you haven't tried it, just maybe venture out, and even if you have to get yourself a little sample set like this, a little the little treat sets like this, and you've got 3 products in here. I love it. I think it's affordable. Okay, maybe at the higher end of, as I say, drugstore products. To me, it's one of my absolute favourites. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. I'm 62 and it's fine on my skin. As it says on the packaging, suitable for all skin types. If you've enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, my lovelies, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.